Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about what is a component, what are different types of components that are present in React. So we see what is a component from the React documentation. So components are just like a JavaScript function. So they accept arguments. You already know that components functions accept the arguments as the inputs. In the same way, React components also accept the arguments. Those arguments are called as the prop and returns the JavaScript. React component returns the JSX or HTML as output. So why we use this JSX or HTML to describe the what should appear on the screen. Generally, what language we use to appear on the screen in web development, HTML, right? So in React, in place of HTML, we are using the JSX. So we already seen that what is the JSX in our first video. So what is that? JSX is nothing but a HTML plus JavaScript. So it allows us to write the HTML and the JavaScript in one place. So that is about the component. So why React introduced these components? Why? Because components allows us to split the UI into independent and reusable pieces of code. So it allows us to split or separate the code into the independent and reusable pieces, and we can use these components in any place where you require the same functionality so multiple times. So that's the use of the components and introduction of the component. So types of, you see the types of components. React has two types of components. One is the class components and second one is the functional components. So these two components, they have some differences. Why it has the two types of components, we will see in the next videos. So this is about the components in React. So in the next video, we will see how to write the class component and how to invoke the inputs in the class components, how we will access this class component, how we call this class components. We'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.